I am a finance doctorate and having recently started my journey in academia, I don't think I could have found a better place than Lloyd for it. Lloyd is a place welcoming students from all parts of the country and providing them with the opportunity to excel in their life by focusing on their passion and sharpening their skills, whether it's in the field of studies, music, arts, or sports, or anything of their interest. It gives me a chance to learn a lot from these students while teaching them a few things. Finance for me is not just an area or subject to be studied, but it is an exercise that is to be practiced in real life. In my opinion, in today's time, a mark sheet with good grades is not sufficient. One needs to have an attitude to adapt with the world outside their homes and colleges. So that's what I try to build in my classes. I tried to link financial concepts like time value of money, banking, and others with the real life of students. Personally, I like reading books, fiction mainly, from Harry Potter to Tess of the D'Urberville. It amazes me how these authors have brought their characters to life in such a way that you feel like you're part of their journey. Whether it's being on adventure with Harry to destroy all the Horcruxes, or to standing tall in face of all the painful circumstances with Tess, I feel like I experienced it all. I think everyone is or should be the hero of their own story. So it's in their hand, or rather your hand, to decide how you want it to turn out to be.